Are you tired of being woken up by your partner's snoring every night? When your airways relax and narrow during sleep, the soft tissues in your throat vibrate, causing that annoying sound. But don't worry, I've got some fixes for you. 1. Elevate your head. Raising your head 4 to 6 inches can help keep your airways open. Try using an extra pillow or a wedge pillow. 2. Loosen your clothes. Tight clothing can squeeze your chest and narrow your airways. Wear loose-fitting clothes to bed. 3. Avoid allergens. Allergies can cause nasal congestion, leading to snoring. Use a humidifier, avoid strong odors, and dust regularly. 4. Get a stuffy nose mask. If you have a cold or allergies, a nasal strip can help keep your airways open. 5. Exercise regularly. Staying active can help you lose weight and reduce inflammation, which can contribute to snoring. 6. Lose weight. Excess weight can cause your airways to narrow, making you snore more. Eat a balanced diet and exercise regularly. 7. Avoid sedatives. Sedatives can relax your muscles, including those in your airways, leading to snoring. 8. Try a humidifier. Dry air can irritate your throat, making you snore. Use a humidifier to keep the air moist. 9. Use a throat spray. Throat sprays containing menthol or eucalyptus can help relax your throat muscles. 10. Get professional help. Visit an ear, nose, and throat (ENT) specialist if your snoring persists. 13. Ginger. Make a warm tea with ginger and honey to help soothe your throat. 14. Peppermint. Inhale peppermint oil vapors or drink peppermint tea to relax your airways. 18. Neti pot. Rinse your nasal passages with a saline solution to clear out mucus. 16. Honey. Take a spoonful of pure honey to help reduce inflammation and soothe your throat. 19. Try a snoring app. There are many apps that can help you track your sleep patterns and snoring. 20. Get enough sleep. Make sure you're getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to reduce snoring. Remember, if your snoring persists, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying health issues. Good luck, and I hope you sleep better tonight.